असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
The next one is a acid-base neutralization reaction. What is meant by neutralization? Well, we know when an acid is reacts with base, it will form salt and water. That is known as neutralization reaction. So, we can write the neutralization reaction as when acid and base combine, they will form salt and water. This is known as neutralization reaction. So, here we need to take in a test tube 2 ml of dilute sodium hydroxide. We know sodium hydroxide is a base. To this solution, we have to add 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. Okay. So, what will happen when we are adding the pH indicator to this NaOH? We know when phenolphthalein indicator is mixed with the base, it will give pink color, right. So, the solution is turns into pink in color. Okay. So, here we have to add dilute HCl to this solution. Okay. So, add 2 ml of dilute HCl. HCl is a acid. So, what will happen by adding of HCl to this pink color solution? Right. Here the pink color is disappears. Right. So, here again we have to add 2 to 3 drops of sodium hydroxide to this solution. What will happen? Again the solution is turns into pink in color. Do you guess the reason why the solution is turns into pink color? Again, why the pink color is reappears here? Here, in this reaction we observe that when sodium hydroxide is reacts with HCl, it is completely reacted with the acid. In this reaction, the sodium hydroxide is completely reacts with acid. That means HCl. So, the effect of base is nullified by an acid. That means here the effect of the sodium hydroxide is neutralized by the acid of HCl. So, that is why the pink color is disappears. So, again by adding of 1 drop of sodium hydroxide to this solution, again the pink color is reappears. Means the solution becomes again basic here, right. So, here the solution once again become basic. So, here we can write this acid base neutralized reaction here. So, we are taking HCl and sodium hydroxide. So, we are adding HCl to the sodium hydroxide. So, they will get salt and water. Okay. So, remember that when and base is added to the acid, it will form the colorless solution. That means the reaction is neutralized.